Welcome back to Sun Crypto. In today's content, we're going to update BTC price. Today is 2/24/19, right? The current price of BTC on Binance on Bitstamp is just about 39.71, and then on Binance, I think like it's just about 39.83, something like that. So, and then the Trello line is just about 38.83 as we expected, with a growth rate of 1.13%. Per week, and then the current price of BTC is just about 2.26% above this Trello trend line. Last week was just about 3%, so we've seen a slight decline in BTC price, right? I was expecting BTC to close above 4,000, but close enough, right? So when you take a look at the price action of BTC, right, the weekly chart using the Heikin-Ashi, we're still getting like a nice smooth trend, right? Even though like we saw a lot of volatility this week, the volatility wasn't like much, but still like good enough to say like, it's volatile enough, right? So you see when you're using the Heikin-Ashi, we still like seeing some nice uptrend with no tails, right? The only one with the tails is just about this one, after we got like too smooth uptrend. So what I'm expecting from now on, right, since the bears couldn't drop the price, I'm expecting BTC to at least challenge this area, just about 42.50 to 41.94 at least this week, right? Even if we get a rejection, it wouldn't be bad, but I'm expecting a slight push to the upside, just about this area of 41.94 before next Sunday. So that's just the bullish momentum, right? So for the bearish momentum, right, we have to look at the normal candles. For the bearish momentum, right, we got a like I said on the weekly time frame, we got this type of volatility, big wick, big tail, small body, right? So what I'm expecting, at least for the short term, if BTC decides to turn bearish, right, I'm looking for let's say a 3 to 5% drop, because I still believe like BTC is not going to drop below the Trello trend line. So I'm looking for just about this area, right? A big support just about this area, right? So just about 37.70, right? Let's say 37.70, which is just about a 5% drop before another move to the upside. So I'm looking for BTC to be trending between 37.70 to 41.94 in that range for bearish momentum. 37.70 next support, right? So let's go ahead and take a look at the lower time frame on Binance. On the lower time frame, right, you can see like we got a big volatility on the hourly time frame, right? So you got like 7 hours in a row, right? 7 hours in a row with like big selling pressure, but price like couldn't even drop that much, right? The highest, let's see, this big dump wasn't like more than 1%, right? So this whole drop was just about 1.2%, right? Not even much, right? If you take a look at it, not even like a 1.2%. So I'm thinking like the bears they're getting like a tough time to drop the price, or or the bulls most likely going to take over very shortly, right? So you can see like we're getting a nice uptrend, right? But still a big fight just about this area of this 50 EMA, right, on the hourly time frame. So, and then if you really take a look at it, right, you got 7 straight hours. That's the first 7 straight hours the last 6 weeks, right? Actually 4 weeks. The bears got, and then they couldn't drop the price. So you have to go back like maybe like early March, to find like a 7 straight hours with like a selling pressure, and then the price couldn't even drop like more than 2%. So it is pretty, BTC is showing like a lot of strengths. I know most people are looking for a 3,000 BTC, but I give that like a 20% chance, like 15 to 20% chance to see a 3,000 BTC. So right, at the same time, right, you take a look at the trading range of this trading range is showing like a very accumulation move. So even though BTC is most people are bearish, I feel like BTC is just ready to take off, right? So nice trend, nice accumulation move from this area to that area, right? Big support just about this area, no resistance, right? price is just moving up and down, but you can see like we got a big support just about this area. So keep an eye on BTC, at least for the short term. As I'm recording, we're getting like a big sell-off just about this area, big rejection. But as soon as we move back to this area of 50 and 100 EMA, we could see like some lot of volatility to the upside, since they couldn't break this support right just about this area. Let's go ahead and take a look at the 4-hour time frame. When you take a look at the 4-hour time frame, things even look better, right? When you take a look at it, you got a very big support from this area of 100 EMA, right? Big support, like you see big reversal candle. Even though most people are looking for BTC to go bearish, but look at these reversal candles on the even on a 4-hour time frame, right? So the weekly looks great, the daily looks great, the hourly looks great. Now the 4-hour candle just showing you like a big reversal candle just about this area. Nice support, like I said, just about this area. When BTC was just about like a 39, less than 4,000, I say we're gonna drop, get a big support from this area of 50 MA, and then we're gonna move sideways and a big move to the upside. So I'm still looking for that big move to the upside, even though we started to trade to be trending upward, come back, retest this area of 50 MA. So I'm looking for a big move like to the upside, like, and retest like 41.94. So 41.94 is the ultimate target this week, at least for the short term, right? Let's go ahead and take a look at the daily time frame. When you take a look at the daily time frame, on the daily time frame, it seems like we still got some room to drop just about this area of 50 EMA. It wouldn't be bad to get a, I wouldn't like be panicking if BTC come back and retest this area of 50 EMA. I wouldn't be panicking, at least for the short term, which would be just about 38.80. So which would be just about the same area of the trend line. The Trololo trend line is at 38.83, right? So if BTC come back down to this area of 38.80, we could be expecting like a lot of volatility, just like what we saw back in December, right? The first week of December, when BTC came back to the same area of the Trololo trend line, roughly like 31.20, right? We saw a big surge in BTC, like a 30% move to the upside. So I want to see like what type of reaction we're gonna get as soon as BTC get back to the trend line, or start moving like below this below the Trololo trend line, 1 to 2% below the Trololo trend line. So I'm eager to see like the type of reaction BTC going to get. So just keep an eye on BTC. Target is just about 41.94. And then if BTC decides to go bearish, I'm looking for a anywhere just about like 37.70 to 38.83, in that range. Big support, right? So let's go ahead and take a look at the RSI. RSI is not looking bad. You still got a big support just about this area, right? So we could expect like RSI to be to come back and retest this area before it move to the upside, because RSI is facing down, so it's not good at all for the short term, right? On the daily, on the daily time frame. So we could expect like a short rebound from the RSI, right? So get a big support just about this area. So at the same time, don't forget about this inverted head and shoulder. I've been talking about like since mid-February, when BTC was just about this area. I knew BTC gonna make a U-turn and make this inverted head and shoulder. So this inverted head and shoulder is still in place. So that's what we need to break, at least for the short term, like ADA did. So ADA, came back to this area, 3 down, 3 up, came back right here, break it 1-to-1 extension. So BTC going to be doing the same thing, just it's a matter of time. We just have to wait for this triangle to play out correctly. Maybe break it to the upside, to the downside, and move to the upside. So that's what I'm looking for BTC, at least for the short term. So I'm gonna update the price as soon as we get as soon as we break like 41.50 to 41.94. I'm gonna update the price. Let's say we get a support from this area of 50 EMA. I don't think we're gonna break this area of 50 EMA anytime soon. So, but let's say we break this area of 50 EMA, right? I'm gonna update the price at the same time, right? So All right, that's about it for today. Let me know what you think down below the comment section. You know, if you find this content useful, make sure to hit the like and subscribe. All right, thank you.